Vikram, what are you doing? We are on the stage.
Hold on, Mirzia, hold on. I'm searching for a post. There you go. This was the one I was talking about.
What
this
is it?
This post says that we humans are animals.
Excuse me, animals? We humans? Are you kidding me?
To be honest, we humans are fundamentally social animals, but it's a pity that the animals out there in the wild are more loving, caring, and trustworthy.
Okay, yes, animals are capable of expressing great depths of emotion and complex systems of social cooperation. And yes, we do agree that animals do care for each other and for human beings.
So, ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, and let's witness an enchanting performance by the cute, little, and courageous cubs of nursery and prep and see what these little tigers can teach us about being better humans.
ओ रामा गजब हुई गवारे, रामा गजब हुई गवारे, जुल्म पे जुल्म हुई गवारे, रामा गजब हुई गवारे। प्रेम से हमको जीने दो, जीने दो, जीने दो, प्रेम से हमको जीने दो, दिल जीने दो।
Performance, wasn't it?
Yes. If these kids could understand this, then why can't us? Let's make this world a better place to live in. Let's prove to everyone that we can coexist peacefully. Abhishek, what are you doing?
Adyasha, do you know being a geek is not always bad? Well, I didn't say I was a geek.
When did I say so?
Just forget it. Robotics, a term we usually associate with college and engineering. The complexity of their working, the beauty of the machinery is something which only a true geek would understand.
So let's invite the tiny tots of class 2 for a robotic dance.
And Shivangi.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This song is dedicated to the youth of India, those who dream of leaving India and going abroad. But, my dear friends, the future lies here in India, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Breathe out, breathe in, Indian oxygen. Woo. Breathe out, breathe in, Indian oxygen. Woo. Every breath I breathe, chasing this Indian dream. We sweat for nickel and dime, turn it into an empire. Breathe in this feeling, Indian oxygen. Oh, say, can you see? This is the Indian dream. Young girl hustling on the other side of the ocean. You can be anything at all in India, 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 India. I say, can see, just close your eyes and breathe. We are the new India. This is the new India.
Hello everyone, having a good time? So tonight isn't only about the 2-minute song you just heard. As we all know, DPS is the best. So to present the awesomeness of Dipsites and the DPS, we have a song for you. I hope you like it all.
I want you all to tap your feet twice and clap your hands once.
To the rhythm. Come on! Buddy, oh boy, buddy, oh boy, buddy, oh boy, making big noise, playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. You got blood on your face, you big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place, singing we will rock you. We will rock you. Buddy, you're a big man, hard man, swinging in the street, gonna be a big man someday. You got blood on your face, you big disgrace, singing your way all over this thing, singing we will rock you. Yes, come on, we will rock you. One more time. We will rock you. We will rock you. We will rock you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Robo-da, robo-da, zoom, zoom, robo-da, 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 boom, boom, robo-da, 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 zoom, zoom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da.
Isaac Asimov का खेला है रोबो, Isaac न्यूटन की लीला है रोबो, एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन की बुद्धि है रोबो, रोबो है कितना अच्छा, come on let's go.
Robo-da, 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 zoom, zoom, robo-da, 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 robo-da. सांस न मिले, धड़कन है पर दिल न हिले, पावर है पर
shut us down. I used to think that I was better alone. Why did I ever want
Now, we are all dipsides, right? It's a unique identity we have. And honestly speaking, we can fight for this symbol. So, it would be unfair if we don't share with you all this legacy.
Success is 99% perspiration and 1% inspiration.
So for this one important person inspiration, we would like to call upon stage Mr. Shashmita Mahapatra ma'am, External Coordinator, to present the annual report.
Hoping that the number rises in the next session. Thank you.
Good evening, respected Chief Guest, Mr. Umesh Kumar ED, SAIL RSP, Sri P.K. Amatya, Pro Vice Chairman, DPS Rourkela and the GM in charge Steel, SAIL RSP, Mrs. and Mr. S.K. Mishra GM, Plate Mill, and also the member of our BOG, Sri Siddharth Rath, Principal, Delhi Public School, Rourkela, Mrs. Girijanandini Mishra, Headmistress, DPS Rourkela, and our very own Madam Minati Mahapatra, dear parents, teachers, and my dear students. Man wins laurels in a fight, and his greatness comes at only in the moment of crisis. We in DPS Rourkela provide the real education which teaches a person to lead a good life. It cannot be measured in any tangible way. We create an environment where students get opportunities to explore their talents to reach the heights of glory and fame. Since inceptions, DPS Rourkela has been setting a new standard of excellence in the field of education in the region. Apart from academics, the school has also been encouraging its students to inculcate their skills in extracurricular activities. The excellent performance of its alumni in different fields of endeavor is an eloquent testimony to the success of the school. Today, I take the opportunity to present the annual report of DPS Rourkela 2013-14 and 2014-15 before this August gathering. At the outset, I thank the Lord for the blessings rendered to us to help and guide our children in the right direction. Here are some of the glimpses of few academic excellence and achievement. In CBSE Class 10 2014 total number of students, they scored CGPA 10 was 37, and 2015 we have 60 students scoring CGPA 10, and Class 12 board 2014 41 students scored 90%, in 2015 30 students scored above 90% in science stream.
Miss Ankita Pati and Elena Savantrai.
नाचो धनाधन म्यूजिक बजाओ बहनों ये सबसे सेलिब्रेशन नाचो धनाधन म्यूजिक बजाओ बहनों ये सबसे आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से हमको बोलो पूरे पलक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से हमको बोलो पूरे पलक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से
Respected sir, principal sir, all esteemed chairpersons and all my teachers and all my dear friends. It is really very awkward to speak today in your own school. First of all, I'd like to thank each and everyone for inviting me and for giving me this opportunity that after getting a position, after gaining something in my career, I'm back to my school. I'm back to my place where I started my career. Before all my teachers, thanks to each and everyone. I feel proud. Without your guardians, without the guardians of my teachers, all my elders, it's just impossible for me to stand here. Jehetu mo Odia industry kama kochi, it's better, it's best to speak in Odia. I should. So, mate aji bahut khushi laguchi. I'm speechless actually. I'm really sorry for this performance because my friend Ankita and we, when we reached here, it is मैंने इटा बहुत गर्वर कथा जिन्हें जो स्कूल सामने रे परफॉर्म करिबा जो तिपाई मो आजी ओडिसा लोक मते चिन्हु चंती ताको यदि स्कूल सामने न देखिले तार से किछि नुए तो थैंक यू कहबाक चाहिबी अंकिता फॉर कोऑपरेटिंग मी विद दिस इज जस्ट मैंने बिल्कुल प्रिपेयर्ड नथिला तो इट वाज टिके मेस्ड अप हे गला बट प्लीज वी आर सॉरी फॉर दैट आउ अधिका किछि कहबेनी बस एतिकी धन्यवाद जणेबी समस्त को आज तांकरी पई मीठी अच्छी टीचर्स रियली रियली थैंकफुल प्रिंसिपल सर मु आगुरु साई वैली रे रोथली हॉस्टल रे एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी कनेक्टेड टू सर एंड मैम आई एम रियली फीलिंग वेरी प्राउड आई स्टार्ट क्राइंग राइट नाउ एंड मु चाहिबी जे मु एवरी ईयर मु आसीबी एनुअल फंक्शन रे योगदान देबी फिल्म्स करे न करे आपण मान सामने को आसबी निजर मन कथा किछि कहबी स्कूल विषय किछि कहबी आउ जीवन सारा तो मैंने थैंकफुल आई एम टू ऑल माय टीचर्स आउ थैंक्स अ लॉट थैंक्स अ लॉट
This is a victory. An enemy's smile is a victory. A miser's 1 rupee is also a victory. And obviously imagine 100 in maths, 100 in physics and 100 in chemistry, etc. is definitely a victory. And when one's dream comes true, that is still a bigger victory. So here we have many achievers and winners today to be recognized and honored. May I now request our chief guest, Mr. Umesh Kumar, ED MM SAIL RSP, to kindly step on to the stage to honor and encourage our little young minds. Sir, please, may I now also request our principal, sir, Mr. Siddharth Rath, to kindly escort our chief guest. Sir, please. To begin with, Pratna Tibriwal for scoring 95% and above marks in all the subjects and an aggregate of 97% in AISSCE 2014. She has topped the school in science stream. She has also scored 100% marks in maths and chemistry. She has also been awarded with a certificate of merit from CBSE. She is being honored with a silver Konark Chakra for securing 100% marks in chemistry and maths together by her chemistry teacher Dr. Shampa Mazumdar and her maths teacher and Headmistress Ma'am Girija Nandini Mishra. May I request Shampa Ma'am and Nandini Ma'am to kindly honor her as well. Ma'am, please. Next we have Adya Behra for scoring 95% and above marks in all the subjects and an aggregate of 96.8% in AISSCE 2014. She has topped the school in commerce stream. Next we have Banveen Kaur for scoring 95% and above marks in English and political science and an aggregate of 91% in AISSCE. She has topped the school in humanities stream. Next we have Miss Poonam Rath for scoring 95% and above marks in English, history and political science and an aggregate of 94% in AISSC 2015. She has topped in school in humanities stream. Now we have Miss Poonam Rath for scoring 95% and above marks in English, history and political science and an aggregate of 94% in AISSCE 2015. She has topped the school in humanities stream. Then we have Bikram Kumar Das for scoring 95% and above marks in English, maths, chemistry and computer and an aggregate of 95.2%. He has scored 10% marks in chemistry. He has also qualified JEE. He has been awarded with a Certificate of Merit from CBSE and HRD Government of India. He is being honored with the Silver Konark Chakra for securing 10% marks in chemistry by his chemistry teacher, Dr. Shampa Mazumdar. Next we have Parthasarathi Mishra for scoring 95% and above marks in English, maths and chemistry and an aggregate of 95.2%. He has also qualified JEE Advance. We have Yavar Izhar for scoring 95% and above marks in chemistry and maths. He has also qualified JEE Advance. Next we have Siddharth Gautam Senapati for scoring 95% and above in all the subjects and an aggregate of 95.4%. He has also qualified for AIPMT. Then we have Swikruti Das. She has scored 95% above marks in all the subjects and an aggregate of 96.4% in AISSCE 2014. She has also qualified for CBSE PMT. She has also been awarded with a Certificate of Merit from CBSE and HRD Government of India. Next we have Rituparna Praharaj for scoring 95% and above marks in English chemistry and she has also qualified for BIT-SAT. Then we have Subhankar Sharma for securing 95% and above marks in the subjects maths, chemistry and computer and an aggregate of 95.6% marks. Now we have Rituparna Praharaj for scoring 95% and above marks in English chemistry and she has also qualified for BIT-SAT. Next we have Shubhankar Sharma for securing 95% marks and above marks in the subjects maths, chemistry and computer and an aggregate of 95.6% marks. He has also qualified for JEE Main. Then we have Anurag Sahu for scoring 95% and above in the subjects English, Maths, Chemistry and Computer and an aggregate of 95.2%. He has scored 10% marks in computer. He has also qualified for JEE Main. He is also being honored with the Silver Konark Chakra for securing 10% marks in computer by his computer teacher, Madam Smaranika Jaina. Then we have Sailesh Patra for scoring 95% and above marks in English, Maths, Chemistry and Computer and an aggregate of 95.2%. He has also qualified JEE Main. Then we have Umang Agarwal for scoring 95% and above marks in all subjects and his aggregate is 95.2%. Now we have Umang Agarwal for scoring 95% and above marks in all subjects, an aggregate of 95.2. Then we have Adeshri Dalai for scoring 95% marks in English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry and Biology and an aggregate of 95%. I repeat, next we have Anubhav Agarwal for scoring 95% and above marks in all subjects and an aggregate of 95.6% in AISSCE. Then we have Sushmit Kaur for scoring 95% and above marks in English, Maths, Accountancy and an aggregate of 95.2% in AISSCE. We also have Umang Agarwal for scoring 95% and above marks in all subjects and an aggregate of 95.2%. Then we have Adyashri Dalai for scoring 95% marks in English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry and Biology and an aggregate of 95%. Next we have Richa Rajuka for scoring 95% marks in English, Maths, Accountancy, Economics and 10% marks in Business Studies and an aggregate of 96.2%. She has also been honored by HRD, Government of India. Then we have Khushbu Tibrewal for scoring 95% and above marks in English, Maths, Economics, Accountancy and Business Studies and an aggregate of 95.8%. She has also been honored by HRD, Government of India. Next we have Mohit Garg for scoring 95% and above marks in Maths and Business Studies and an aggregate of 95.2%. He has also been honored by HRD, Government of India. He is also being awarded a cash prize of Rs 3,000 by Mr. Somendra Naik, his accountancy teacher, for securing 10% marks in accountancy. Then we have Rahul Agarwal for securing 95% and above marks in Maths, Economics, Accountancy and Business Studies and an aggregate of 95.2%. He has also been honored by HRD, Government of India. Then we have Shraddha Lal for scoring 95% and above marks in all the subjects and overall aggregate of 96.6% marks in AISSCE 2014. She has also qualified for ISER 2014. Then we have Prapti Prathan, Certificate of Merit for Excellence in Dance. A good education, Plato declared in the laws, consists in knowing how to sing and dance well. Prapti, a multi-talented personality, especially in dance, has represented the school in various competitions right from nursery to class 11 and has contributed immensely and made the school honored and proud. Next we have Ray Elena Samantrai for winning season 1 of Kiye Hobbo Mo Heroine by Tarang TV and featuring in movies Ishq Tu Hi Tu, Kehi Nuhe Kaharo and Jagga Hatare Pogha. Next we have Siddharth Sehgal for qualifying NTSC 2014. Then we have Aliva Das for scoring 95% and above marks in English, Chemistry and Computer and an aggregate of 93.8%. She has also qualified JEE Main 2015. Next, Mruganka Shekhar Mishra for scoring 95% and above marks in Maths, Chemistry and Computer and an aggregate of 93.8%. He has also qualified JEE Main 2014. Then we have Abhishek Sahu for scoring 95% and above marks in English, Maths, Chemistry and an aggregate of 93.4%. He has also qualified JEE Main. Then we have Basudev Sahu for scoring 95% and above marks in English, Maths, Chemistry and Computer and an aggregate of 93.2%. He has also qualified JEE Main 2014. Then we have Dibya Darshan Barik for scoring 95% and above marks in Maths and Chemistry. Yes, we have Dibya Darshan Barik for scoring 95% and above marks in Maths and Chemistry. Then we have Debabrat Patra for scoring 95% and above marks in Maths, Chemistry and an aggregate of 92.6%. He has also qualified JEE Main 2014. Next we have Megha Satpathy for scoring 95% and above marks in Maths, Chemistry and an aggregate of 91%. She has also qualified JEE Main. Then we have Subhashish Sahu for scoring 95% and an above marks in Maths, Chemistry and Computer and an aggregate of 90.8%. He has also qualified for JEE Main 2014. Then we have Jasmine Khan for scoring 95% and above marks in Bio and she has qualified for JEE Main 2014. Next we have Rohan Acharya for scoring 95% marks in Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Computer and an aggregate of 94%. He has also qualified for JEE Main. Then we have Anant Berry for scoring 95% marks in Maths. We have Anant's brother for scoring 95% marks in maths, physics, chemistry, computer and an aggregate of 93%. He has also qualified for JEE Main. Next we have Ashish Pradhan for scoring 95% marks in maths, physics, chemistry. He has also qualified for JEE Main. Next we have Suryakant Behra. He has qualified for JEE Main. Then we have Avinash Jha, who has qualified for JEE Main. Next we have Manish Badaik. He has qualified for NEST. Next we have Ashna Mahanti for winning Nanhi Pari contest in 2013 organized by KIT International. She has also made the school very proud in English recitation, debate and dance. Then we have Akash Mahapatra. He has qualified for CLAT NLU Orissa. Next we have Priyanka Priyadarshini for scoring 95% and above marks in English. She has also qualified for CLAT. Then we have Gurpreet Kaur, second rank in AICET and JJ Institute of Applied Arts, Mumbai. Then we have Upasna Mahanti for winning Miss Z Kalinga Award 2014. Now we have Sonali Patnaik for scoring 95% and above marks in maths, chemistry and an aggregate of 92.8%. Prayas Abhinav Sahu for scoring 95% and above marks in English, chemistry and computer and an aggregate of 92.4%. Tamanna Singhal for scoring 95% and above marks in English, maths and computer and an aggregate of 91.8%. Next we have Preeti Agarwal for scoring 95% and above marks in English and an aggregate of 90.8%. Next we have Garima Bagadia for scoring 95% and above marks in maths, chemistry and an aggregate of 90.8%. Next we have Pallavi Chaube for scoring 95% and an above marks in English, biology and an aggregate of 90.2%. Next we have Ishnit Kaur Saluja for scoring 95% marks in physics, chemistry, maths and computer and an aggregate of 94.2%. Now we have again Avesh Kumar Subudhi for scoring 95% and above marks in English, maths and computer and an aggregate of 90%. Now we have Avesh Kumar Subudhi for scoring 95% and above marks in English, Maths and Computer and an aggregate of 90.0%. Then we have Megha Maheshwari for scoring 95% marks in Physics, Chemistry and Maths and an aggregate of 93.4%. Next comes Pallavi Tibrewal for scoring 95% and above marks in Physics, Chemistry, Maths and Computer and an aggregate of 93.2%. Next we have Danish Yusuf for scoring 95% marks in Chemistry and an aggregate of 92.2%. Then we have Ritesh Pandey for scoring 95% marks in Physics and Chemistry and an aggregate of 91.6%. Next we have Anshuman Pati for scoring 95% marks in Physics and Chemistry and an aggregate of 91.2%. Then we have Snigdha Bhomik for scoring 95% and above marks in Maths, Economics, Accountancy and Business Studies and an aggregate of 94.2%. Then we have Dipanshu Podar for scoring 95% and above marks in Maths, Economics, Accountancy and Business Studies and an aggregate of 94.8%. Again we have Amrit Vivekanand Sabat for scoring 95% marks in English, Physics, Chemistry and Maths and an aggregate of 91.2%. Next we have Adarsh Agarwal for scoring 95% and above marks in English, Economics, Accountancy and Business Studies and an aggregate of 93%. Next we have Radhika Khandelwal for scoring 95% marks in English, Accountancy and Business Studies and an aggregate of 90%.
Coming up to the next category, Vaibhav Kila for scoring 95% and above marks in Maths and Computer. Shashwat Kumar Parida for scoring 95% and above marks in Chemistry. Soumya Swagatika Nanda for scoring 95% and above marks in English and Chemistry. Zaira Waris for scoring 95% and above marks in English and Chemistry. Akansha Pandit for scoring 95% and above marks in English. Pooja Sajit for scoring 95% and above marks in Maths. Pritam Rai Chaudhary for scoring 95% and above marks in Chemistry. Poonam Nanda for scoring 95% and above marks in chemistry. Anshuman Das for scoring 95% and above marks in chemistry and computer. Pratik Sahu for scoring 95% and above marks in chemistry. Bishwajit Biswal for scoring 95% and above marks in English. Saikat Jodhar for scoring 95% and above marks in English. Soumya Shubhra Sahu for scoring 95% and above marks in English. Samarth Mishra for scoring 95% and above marks in English. Shwetalina Swai for scoring 95% and above marks in English. Harshit Chandak for scoring 95% and above marks in English, Economics, Accountancy and BST and an aggregate of 94.4%. Harshita Chandak. Ayush Agarwal for scoring 95% and above marks in Economics, Accountancy and Business Studies and an aggregate of 94.4%. Nikhil Rajgadia for scoring 95% and above marks in Accountancy, Economics and BST and an aggregate of 92%. Shyam Kumar Agarwal for scoring 95% and above marks in English, Economics, Accountancy and Business Studies and an aggregate of 91.6%. Shantanu Jakotia for scoring 95% and above marks in English, Accountancy, BST and an aggregate of 90.4%. Parents are requested to give them a big round of applause. Please, parents, they need your encouragement. Rahul Patnaik for scoring 95% and above marks in BST. Shresht Sultania for scoring 95% and above marks in BST. Ruchi Shah for scoring 95% and above marks in English, Hindi. She has also been awarded with a Certificate of Merit in Hindi from CBSE and HRD Government of India. Please keep on clapping for them, parents. Manpreet Kaur Dhanwa for scoring 95% marks in Maths. Shilpa Priyadarshini for scoring 95% marks in Accountancy and Business Studies. Pragati Sharma for scoring 95% marks in business studies. Suvidha Agarwal for scoring 95% marks in accountancy and business studies. Yash Kakani for scoring 95% marks in accountancy and business studies. Simran Kaur for scoring 95% marks in accountancy.
Respected Principal DPS, teachers, students, parents, audience, senior officers of RSP, good evening to all. First of all, I must thank the DPS management for giving me opportunity to witness this lovely evening. And as far as saying few words is concerned, I think nowadays our children, students, they are really very smart, very energetic, very active, requiring very little guidance. They only need encouragement from parents and nothing else. And all the parents, as a parents, we presume as if, as on day also, we are in the old era, whereas as on date, with the students having all the software, internet, Google, WhatsApp and all at their command, they are much, much smarter than us. And guiding them nowadays is really becoming very, very difficult. And because their grasping power, their ambitions are so much that it makes the life of teachers really difficult. And as far as parents are concerned, they are really enjoying their life. They have just to give them support what they want. And if parents give support more than what they want, then it will amount to interference. And nobody likes interference. So under the circumstances, and I must congratulate all the award winners, and for every parents, they only want to see their children reach above them at least 10 to 15 years before their age. Whatever level they have reached, maybe around 50-55 years, they want to see their children crossing that level at the age of 30-35, and which all children today are crossing, and they will continue to cross. And whatever efforts we may do, we cannot avoid any generation gap. So ultimately, for students, I will only say, enjoy, remain energetic. Whatever you want to do, please do. But ultimately, remember that whatever sanskar are there, you must remain with the sanskars, respect the sanskars. And sometimes, because you are too smart, you are very good, sometimes you become a bit self-centered. Just try to come out of that, and for you, sky will be the limit. With these words, I wish all the best to all my students and students, that they should really make us proud by achieving what we could achieve in 50 years, they must achieve in 25 years. With all those wishes, thank you very much.